Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a bulb adjustment because my engine started ticking really bad. So you're gonna need one of these. And for the intake size, it's gonna be 0.003 to 0.005. And for this side, the one you're gonna need is gonna be hold up, let me see. For the exhaust, you're gonna need 0.006 to 0.008 on the size for these thingies. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna slide it under the cam. Should just feel it. This one's good. This one too. So make sure the top, the lobe is on the top, so you go through the bottom of it. And if it's too loose, you're gonna hold this with a 12 millimeter and then turn this accordingly with a screwdriver while holding this with a 12 millimeter. So this one's good. So when I go on the bottom of the car, get turn here and check the next one. So now I'm waiting on these two to go to the top. So now we check the next ones. Okay, they feel good to me. So we'll go to the next one. You guys see this? No drag at all. That means it's bad. So, see, what you're gonna do is loosen this up and then tighten this until you feel it just a little bit, not too tight. For this or the exhaust, so I'm using 0.007. So just make sure it doesn't just go through like nothing, makes a little bit of drag, So loosen this, the bolt, and then tighten this a little bit and check it. Keep checking it. And that's why sometimes you hear all the ticking on the engine. So my shit was ticking, started ticking really bad because that right there, I just noticed that it's missing the fucking bolt. This bolt right here, it's missing it right there. I was looking for it inside the head, and there it is. And I had to fucking fish it out of there, put it on, adjust it, and hopefully they'll take the whole, like the ticking got worse. So I adjusted these ones. The intake side is good. So hopefully after I adjust this and put that back on, hopefully it'll be good and no more ticking. So let me do that shit. Also, don't forget the order you took out the spark plug wires, or you wanna fuck it up, I have it together by this thing, so I know where they go. So just make sure you don't forget. That way you can just put them back the way you took them up, so you don't have any problems with your spark plugs later when you finish putting after you put the valve cover back, Okay, so now I think it's ready to test it, turn it on, and see what happens. So the adjustment I did worked. The engine's running a little bit better. You can still hear it a little bit, but that's because when you're adjusting it, it's more of a feel, you know? You gotta know how it's supposed to feel, so it's a little difficult to get it on spot, but you don't hear the ticking like you used to. If you watch some of my older videos, you can hear it each time I turn it on. You can hear the ticking. And the reason I decided to do this because it got worse after like 2 days ago. It just got worse, and then that's why I decided to check it out, and that's when I found out the fault came out. So maybe it just came out like 2 days ago, and that's why I've been driving it for like 1 day to work, and that's it. So good thing I decided to check it out. So yeah, just if you guys have your ticking on your engine, just do the valve adjustment, get this little tool right there. Make sure you get the correct sizes and everything, and then just do it yourself. It's not that hard, it's more of a feel thing, you know. So yeah, that's it for this video.